Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to move jump button on Roblox Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply move jump button on your Roblox Mobile, all you gotta do is simply use Roblox Studio to customize your GUI, or you can simply go to your iPhone's setting or Android setting, and once you go there you can simply tap on your screen, which is basically a display in brightness. So there you can simply choose a lighter theme, and once you have selected that particular option, you can simply choose to make your display into default. Like, it will show you some default settings which will allow you to have your jump button to simply move on your Roblox mobile. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.